So this is a case of female pattern baldness. Sometimes what happen, the female pattern baldness is look like male pattern baldness. Okay, the patient सिर उठाइए. So the patient having similar type of alopecia which generally we found in case of males. नीचे रख लो. So your female pattern baldness is something which is related with the hair loss from this side to this side. Okay, and the male pattern baldness comes from the front, mid and the crown area. So sometimes what happens, the females they show a male pattern baldness type of alopecia, and this particular thing is because of androgenic changes, which is because of the change in hormonal level, okay, in case of females. So in that particular time, the treatment plan, if the patient want hair transplant, so we have not the enough amount of hair from the back side as well as from the other side of the body. So hair transplant for that particular condition is not possible. So for that time we have another type of hair implant system, what we call synthetic hair transplant system. So in that synthetic hair transplant system, what we have biofibers or nido hair. So these biofibers or nido hair, they are basically synthetic hair implants which generally inserted at your scalp level below aponeurosis. The sizes are different according to the patient choice, according to the patient criteria. We have to select the sizes. The sizes starts from 15 centimeter, 30 and 45 centimeter. So right now we have a biofiber which is 15 centimeter. The total number of graft is 100 in this pack. So before doing biofibers, what we do a patch test. This patch test indicated to test whether your body is accepting or not, whether these biofiber cause any problem, or the tolerance rate of your body plus the acceptance rate of your body. The acceptance means आपकी बॉडी कितने ग्राफ्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर रही है, आपकी बॉडी कितने ग्राफ्ट्स को विड्रॉ कर रही है पर्टिकुलर एक टाइम लिमिट में, आपको कोई इससे एलर्जी तो नहीं हो रही. तो today what we are doing a patch test for the biofibers, for a patch test to know. So why we selecting this area? Randomly you can select any area, so where you have to implant the hairs. So just we select this much area कि कल को जब ये हमारे पास वापस आएंगे तो हमें पता रहेगा कि हम लोगों ने हेयर इम्प्लांट्स कहाँ लगाए थे, उनकी क्या कंडीशन है और उनका कितना हेयर फॉल हुआ है. तो local anesthesia before doing or starting the case. So local infiltration, in that selected part up to the subcutaneous label. So once the local infiltration is over, it's time for opening these packets. So each packet contains 50 grafts. So you have to make an angle, and that angle is a 45 angle between your graft and the implanter as well as your skin surface. So singly we have to insert a graft. over. Now we have to wait for at least 20 to 21 days as your healing cycle complete. In between, we can recall the patient to check the status about the status of your scalp, the pain condition.